Welcome to Kiko's Language School. Today we are going to learn the verb conjugation in Japanese language. Verb conjugation is a part Japanese learners usually find a little bit more difficult and confusing than the other parts in Japanese, isn't it? So today, after watching this video, you'll be able to understand the verb forms. Anyway, if you have not subscribed to Kiko's Language School, please click the subscribe button and join us. Let's begin today's lesson. 今日のビデオを始めましょう。There are only two tenses in Japanese language, present tense and past tense. For an example, 彼は学校へ行きます。He goes to school. This is the present tense, and the past tense becomes 彼は学校へ行きました。He went to school. Present tense is used to express the future tense in Japanese. For an example, 明日彼は学校へ行きます。Tomorrow he'll go to the school. 来週末に旅行します。Next weekend I'll travel or I'll go traveling. Okay, so there is another very important thing we should know. There is the formal and informal forms in Japanese. We are going to learn these two forms with examples in another video. For now, let's look at a simple example. 学校へ行きます。I go to school. This is the formal form of the present tense. All you have to do is keeping the must form of the verb for present tense. For the informal form, 学校へ行く. This is the informal form of the present tense. This verb form is called the plain form. Plain form is used with informal form. We are not learning today about informal and formal forms in past tense. Before we hop into each verb forms, let's take a clear idea of the verb forms and how do they work. First things first, for me, I always need a list of contents before I start studying, just like a roadmap. So here's the contents of this video series. 3 groups of verbs. Massive form. It is the formal present tense. Dictionary form. It is the informal present tense. Masen form. It is the formal present negative. Nai form. The informal present negative. Mashita form. Formal past tense. Ta form. Informal past tense. Masen deshita. Formal past negative. Nakatta. Informal past negative. Te form. Potential form. Imperative form. Eba form. And we learn the other verb forms with each grammar lesson. So with each lesson, we are going to make sentences, learn new words, and also the confusing points in each lesson. I hope to create flashcards pack and some books for you so we can take our language journey to the next level. Once the books are ready for you, I'll inform you as soon as possible. Let's move one step at a time. So this is just an introduction video to our verbs video series. I hope you get a clear idea of what we are going to do now. Let's begin our journey. Alright, that's all for today's video. And again, this is an introduction video to the verbs video series. Hope you learn verbs from upcoming videos at Kiko's Language School. If you are new to Kiko's Language School, please click the subscribe button and join us. Okay, have a fun learning at Kiko's Language School. Thanks for watching. 見てくれてありがとう。